Okay, thank you for reminding. Okay, Tushar.
Anji, have you seen Pari Mahal? It is near Chashme Shahi. Toy chua wuchmut Pari Mahal. Suchu Chashme Shahi nish.
It is. So, agar I go that, it means ye. Yichu Chashme Shahi. Okay.
Yichu Chashme Shahi nish. Okay.
Next.
Dal chu ak board sir. Amyu poin chu saaf.
Here, I have not my videos off here.
So, acha, I have to say it in English.
English, yes.
Okay.
The video is off.
Dal Lake is a very big.
No problem. No problem, Shivani.
Dal is a very big lake.
Okay.
And its water is quite clean.
Quite clean, nahi. Saaf is clean.
Okay.
Quite clean. Chatha saaf. Okay. Or variya saaf go Telugu quite. Okay.
Okay.
Seema ji, can you speak or you will need some time? Or you will listen only?
I can speak at this point.
Okay, no problem. Please go ahead next. Have you gone to?
Have you gone to Ganga Bal? It lies at the foot of Harmukh Mountain. Michi, translate Karuna. Deutsche Gomut Ganga Bal. Hold on.
Okay, no problem. Have you gone to Gangabal? Toi Shiva Gomid Gangabal.
Toi Shiva Gomid Gangabal.
It lies at the foot of Halmak.
Give me this.
Yichu?
Sorry. Yichu,
कोई बात नहीं, I will Telkin. Daman. Foot. We talked about it last time. It is at the Yichu Harmukh Pahad is Damnasta.
Tal. No, Tal. There was another word. Lies, Tal.
Okay.
Yichu Harmukh.
Yichu Harmukh Pahad is Damnasta. Okay.
Yichu Harmukh Pahadakin
Damnasta.
Dalmastal.
Damanasta.
Damanastal.
Yes. Have you gone to me, Mechu? Simaji, Mechu?
Mechuna tabiyat theek. Book kara aram. I don't feel well. I will rest.
Okay, good. We play game of cowries on Shivratri. Neilji.
We play games of cowries on Shivratri. Ois che herats pet haran gindan.
Very good, very good. Next one.
Our
Herats pet. Okay. Herats pet. Hello, next.
Our New Year starts.
Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Shivratri chi Herats. So Herats pet shiginda. Okay.
Herats pet.
Okay. Next.
Okay. Our New Year starts on Navre. Navre is a festival too. Son Nov Vori ch Navrat pet Shuru Gatsun Navre ch board din
Our new year starts from Navre. Sohan Nav Vori chu Navre Patter Shurugat. Navre Patter Shurugat. Navre is also festive. Navre Chak Bordo. Okay. Okay. Mansiji, Gordon counting.
50 is Pansa and 51 is Akwanza. So Wanza. 59 is Kunhart.
Very good. Badhiya. Tushar.
Yes, sir. 63. Treshit. Shet. Akhart. Doihart. Trehart. Trehart.
67.
Sathart. Kunsatat.
Shruti
76 She Satat.
Shusatat.
Shu Satat. 79
Kunshit. We have a long lesson today, so we can't wait too long. Kunshit. Next, 83.
Treshit.
Trushit.
Acha, which is Trevana Ichitru. Okay.
Trushit. Sahil. Next 3.
Satshit. Namat. True Namat.
Very good. Neelji.
96 is Shunamat. 99 is Namanamat. 100 is Hat.
Chalo, very good. So now we have a very long lesson. So I want all your ears to be there. Himaji, can you mute?
Hima, mute.
Yeah.
Can you mute,
Sorry.
please? No problem. Today we Asha's Varya Jute lesson. So I will go over this once. Then we will ask each one of you. I think we have 4 or 5 lessons. So we'll ask each one of you to at least do half a lesson. Okay. Vocabulary fruits. Apricot, pear is singular, plural is pear. Almond, badam, plural and singular is same. Apple, soont, plural soonch. Banana, kale, plural also kale. Bitter cherry, erlich. Cherry, gilas, both same. Coconut, nargil, same. Cucumber, lure, same. Currant, kishmish, same. Date, khazur, same. Fig, anjeer, same. Grape, Dutch. But just for your, जो Masterji ने red में लिखा है, Dutch full. If it is one piece of grape, one piece, उसको Dutch full भी बोल, ठीक है ना? Dutch full चिता था. Lemon, gnome. Lotus nuts, pambuch, plural. Pambuch. Mango, amb. Muskmelon, kharbuz. Mulberry, shahtul. Orange, sanctar. Same. Pear, tang. Same. Peach, sunun. Plum, pomegranate, dern. Strawberry, ishtabar. Walnut, doon. Plural is doon. Water chestnut, gore. Watermelon, thandavin. Okay. Homework is practice and remember the vocabulary. Let's go ahead. So I will tell you. एक पेज आप और एक पेज नहीं, आधा पेज. चलो चलो आप मानसी जी, up to lotus nut. I will just take it up. Sure.
Apricot, सेर, सेर. Almond, बादाम, बादाम. Apple, चूंठ, चूंठ, चूंठे.
ना चूंठे
चूंठ,
चूंठ
चूंठ,
चूंठ चूंठ.
चूंठ,
You're very faint.
चूंठ.
Yeah, absolutely right. पर पक्का. Banana.
केल, केल. Bitter cherry, lich, lich,
Liche.
lich. Cherry, गिलास, गिलास. Coconut, नारजील, नारजील. खूपर.
आपच्या समयात म्हणून आचमना खोपरीत इचवना. But generally she narjili vana, but ke vana khoprit. Next.
Cucumber, lur, lur. Currant, kishmish, kishmish.
Okay.
Date, khazur, khazur and khazur. Fig, anjeer, anjeer. Grape, daksh, daksh. Dachipol.
Dachipol, single.
Lemon, neem, neem.
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 Neem. No, ne वाला नहीं है. Ne वो थोड़ा no smaller than. Neem.
Neem. Neem.
Okay.
ये नहीं आया, एक बार और बता सकते हैं क्या ये नेम?
Neem. Neem. Neem.
Neem.
Neem.
Neem.
Neem. Okay. Shruti ji, lotus nut.
Lotus nut, pambuch, pambach. Mango, amb. Muskmelon, kharbuz, kharbuz.
Kharbuz. Buzichin. Buz.
खरबूज.
ब पर स्ट्रेस देना है जो सामने है और ये बिल्कुल फेंट है. तो बुज.
खरबूज.
ओके.
मलबरी, शहतुल, शहतुल्य.
तुल्यन अगेन लर्स पर तुल.
तुल.
शाहतुल.
शहतुल.
शाहतुल. शाहतुल.
शहतुल. Okay. Orange, sangtaru, sangtaru. Pear, tongue, tongue. Peach, tsunun, tsunin.
परफेक्ट. पहली बार आपने सही पढ़ा. तो नहीं. एब्सोल्युटली परफेक्ट. नेक्स्ट.
Plum, pomegranate, dern. Strawberry, ishtabar, ishtabari.
इष्टाबायरे.
Ishtabar.
इष्टाबायरे.
Sugar cane, naishakar, naishakar. Walnut, doon. Water chestnut, gur.
Good. Very good.
Watermelon, hyandvyand.
Perfect. Let's get to the next one. Vegetables. Bitter gourd, karel. Same. Brinjal, wangan. Collard greens, hak. Carrot, gazer. Chili, marsuwangan. Garlic, rohan. Gourd, al. Nolkol, mond, mange. Mond, single, mange, plural. Lotus stem, nadur, plural, nadir. Mint, Pudna, pudna. Same. Mushroom, headur, header. Headur, header. Onion, gand, gand. Same. Potato, olive, olu. Olive, many. Olu, olive. Pumpkin, gol al. Radish, muj, mujhe. Spinach, palak, palak. अगर if it is one single leaf, पाल के वथर, पाल के वथर. टमाटो, टमाटर, टमाटर. या आजची वैसे मतलब कुणी वाऱ्यान कशीर म्हणजे इसवना रुवांगन. केन केन जाइन इसवना रुवांगन. रुवांगुन गयो आख, रुवांगन गए प्लूरल. रुवांगुन, रुवांगन. But tomato is go, tomato, tomato. Same. Turnip, goggage, goggage. Goggage, goggage. Tushar.
Bitter gourd, karel, karel. Brinjal, wangun, wangan. Collard greens, haak, haak. और हाक वथर. कैरेट, गाजर, गाजरे. चिली, मर्च वांगुन, मर्च वांगन.
तुषार ये स्टोन याद. गाजर, गाजर, गाजरे. ठीक मतलब I'm just making it too pronounced, but otherwise जल्दी में छोड़ना गाजरे जल्दी. But basically you याद था उन्हें गाजरे. नहीं तो क्या होगा? You will write g a z a r e. You will forget that Ardhachandra at the bottom. So you must pronounce it that way. Okay, next.
Chili, march wangun, march wangan. Garlic, rohan, rohan. Gourd, al, al. Nol khol, mond, monji.
Mond, mond.
Mond, monji.
Monji. Okay. Sahil.
Lotus stem, nadur, nadir. Mint, pudna, pudna. Mushroom, headur, header.
Just 1 minute. Mintas chuvana pudna pudna barabar. Agar ipetan achichu pudna agar akoi water ache tachvana pudna water.
Pudna, water.
Just one leaf.
Pudna,
One
water.
leaf. Then one leaf of mint. Pudna water. Okay.
Pudna, water. Mushroom, headur, header. Onion, gand, gand. Potato, olive, olive. Pumpkin,
Olu, olu,
olu,
olu,
olu, olu, olive.
olav.
Pumpkin, gol al, gol
Gol al, al. Gol al, gol al. Go ahead.
gol al, gol al.
Gol al, gol al. Gol al, gol was same. Gol al. Okay.
Gol al.
Radish.
Radish. Mujj. Mujje.
Mujhe ka chugarding chun mujhe ke. Gording chun muj. आपको मुझ
मुझ
प्लूरल मुझे
मुझ
मुझे मुझ
मुझ
मुझे
तो मुझे.
हाँ नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट
हेलो.
हाँ हाँ बोलिए बोलिए बेटा.
सर एक्चुअली खुद ही डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया. ओके ओके. स्पिनच, पालक, पालक. पाल की वथर.
हाँ शाबाश.
टोमेटो, टमाटर, टमाटर. रुवांगुन, रुवांगन.
वेरी गुड.
टर्निप, गोगिज, गोगजी.
वेरी गुड एक्सलेंट. चलो फर्स्ट क्लास. Again, practice and remember the vocabulary. Prepare yourself for the exam. Okay. Now next, names of the months as per Kashmiri calendar. Baisakh, Wahek. Baisakh, Wahek. Zet, Jet. Jet, Zet. Ashad, Har. Shravan, Shravun. Badu, Badarpet. या खाली बदर पिछवन बदर पेथ जनरली से बदर पेथ ना बट सम ऑफ देम केच बना बदर पे कर अश्विन अशिद अशिद कार्तिक कत्तक मार्गरीश मंजहोर पोष पोह माघ माघ फाल्गुन फागुन फाल्गुन फागुन चैत्र चिथर चैत्र चिथर ओके नील जी
Okay. Baisakh, Vahek, Jet, Zet, Zet,
Zet.
Ashad, Har, Shravan, Shravun, Badan, Bhadrapet or Bhadur,
Bhadrapet
Ashwin,
Pet नहीं
Bhadra, oh,
Pet.
Pet,
Her.
sorry, yeah,
TH
yeah.
no dot at the top but okay Bhadrapet okay
Ashwin, Urshi, Kartika, Katak, Marg, Shirsh,
Margaret
Monjahor,
मंजहोर ये भी आप ही पढ़ लीजिए
Posh, Po, Mug, Mag,
माघ
Falgun,
माघ okay
Falgun, Pagun,
okay
Chaitra, Chatra, Sittar,
Tithar Tithar
Thar,
TH Tithar okay very good Thar 6 seasons of Kashmir Sont it is spring season between mid March and mid May generally Grisham hot season mid May to mid July Vahrat rainy season mid July to mid September Harud autumn season mid September to mid November Vandar cold season mid November to mid January Shishur very cold season mid Jan to mid March okay but there is something more to it very cold season in Kashmir is called Chiller part of Vandar and part of Shishur okay it is part of these both this whole area this whole time period is also called Chiller Chilakalan is 21st December to 31st January then Chilakharud February to 19th February generally Chilabache 20th February to 1st March this is considered Chilabache is considered the coldest part okay it is as per this okay practice this that is perfect now Seema ji can you do it aap busy to nahi hai
I'm so sorry. I wasn't really.
no problem don't worry I know you are driving don't worry we'll ask somebody else don't worry okay no issue Shruti ji aap boliye
Sont, spring.
Sont
season.
shun Sont
Sont, sorry, Sont.
okay next
Grisham,
Grisham Grisham.
Grisham. Okay.
Grisham.
Grisham.
Okay.
Hot season.
Actually,
Vahrat.
इसमें okay. चलो okay next.
Vahrat, rainy season.
Hmm.
Harud, autumn
Hmm.
season. Vand, cold season. The Shishur, very cold season. Harudascha Sharad Devanan Kashur Part Kirnasucha Hindi part only.
क्या?
Sharad. Sharad.
नहीं नहीं कौशिक पर चिन्ह वाला कौशिक पर हर देव autumn.
Harud. Okay.
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 ये पर चिलकल
Chilakalan.
Hmm.
Chilakalan Akvu December Pet.
वो ठीक है वो that you can forget. You speak only in the Kashmiri part. चिलकलान.
Okay. Chilakalan. Chilakharud.
Horod.
The Chilabache.
Very good. चलो ठीक है. कसम से ये तुम याद. उनकी पढ़ेगा तुम याद इसका most mention के ने. हाँ जी. क्या
Sir, सवाल उसमें पूछूं sir.
हाँ जरूर बनी मैं.
Sir actually वैसे commonly use even sir actually ये rat call.
Rat call go generally it is not a particular season. Rat call chuba you man generally if person is one china wana. One chuna winter chona winter तो सरसी opposite chuta क्या?
Rat call.
Rat call. It's but अगर कशिक but actually how can seasons now the most important rat call right you are absolutely right.
Okay.
Season चो अगर ना ऐसा मानूं जी आसन बने ना या generally बना वायरस चीज़ पे बना one the rat call rainy season चुन बना नहीं का कशिक में पच्चीस सिर्फ हर दो योत बना बेच बना सोत okay generally शूट योत बना जाचन बना but अगर जन कशिक but actually it's in dictionary मान चु एमची है ठीक है
Okay sir.
Okay okay translation. I am doing my work. Let me read this and then we'll ask again. Buchas ya buchus paning kum karan. I am doing my work. Buchas I am buchus I am doing karan my work. Paning my means paning kum. I am doing my work. Buchas buchus paning kum karan. I have done my work. Mekar paninkam. Mekar paninkam. Mekar paninkam. I will do my work. Bekar paninkam. Bekar mekar. Mekar means past tense. Bekar means future tense. I watched a film yesterday. मैं which रात आख film. मैं which आख रात आख film. I will watch a film today. Which आज आख film. ये याद थोन अंग्रेज़ी में से फिल्म वना मगर कशिर पर चीज़ फिल्म वना ठीक है फिल्म ओके ये याद थोन I will watch a film tomorrow. Which paga आख film. Okay. Prasad is a thin person. Prasad च आख न्यूक इंसान. Thin न्यूक. Prasad च is a fat person. Prasad च आख व्योट इंसान. Fat व्योट. Prasad is not a fat person. Prasad chuna आख व्योट इंसान. I will come to see you tomorrow. B yim paga se samkhini. Samkhini means visit you, to see you. Generally meet you, but see you also is okay. I had come to see you yesterday. Bu osus se raat samkhini amut. Bu osus se raat samkhini amut. Or bu osus raat se samkhini amut. Both are okay. I will come to see you today. Bu yimai az se samkhini. Bu yimai az se samkhini. Where are you going? Sukot chak gatsan. Lady chak marad chuk gatsan. Where had you gone? Sukot osuk gomut. Sukot osuk gomut. Where will you go? Sukot gatsak. Sukot gatsak. Is it raining heavily? It is raining heavily today. Take me. Where will you watch it? It is raining heavily today. Az şu sak. Sakatna. Sak root pevan. It rained heavily yesterday. Raat pyav sak root. It will rain heavily tomorrow. Pagah pays sak root. We are going for a picnic today. Aishchi az salas ya chakras gathan. We are going for picnic today. Aishchi az salas gathan. We had gone for a picnic last week. Ash paitmi hafta chakras gamit. Ash paitmi hafta chakras gamit. Gamit. We will go for a picnic next week. Ash gatsav beye hafta chakras. Beye haft. Next. Come, have dinner with me. Wala me suit ke bat. Wala me suit ke bat. Go, have dinner with your mother. Gats, maj suit ke bat. Maj suit ke bat. Yes, I had dinner with my father. Ah, me khav panis merlis suit bat. Me khav panis merlis suit bat. This is an apple tree. It has many apples. Yishuak sunt kul kul atche varya sunt atche varya sunt. This is a pear tree. It has no pears. Yishu tang kul atchin tangai. This is not a pear tree. This is a cherry tree. Yichun tangukul. Yichu gilasukul. Yichun tangukul. Yichu gilasukul. I am very tired today. Which was as sak thokumut. Thokumut, tired. Thokumut. Thokumut. I was very tired yesterday. Bu osus raat sak thokumut. I will be very tired tomorrow. I can speak Kashmiri now. Wine Kashur Bulit. Wine Kashur Bulit. Wine Kashur Bulit. So I cannot speak Kashmiri now. Wine Kashur Bulit. Wine Kashur Bulit. I will try to speak Kashmiri now. Bukara wine Kashur Bolnich Kushish. Bukara wine Kashur Bolnich Kushish. Okay? Okay, we'll practice this again. So let's go from the beginning. Nancy ji, 1A to 1D, 1C jo bhi.
I am doing my work. Buchas panain kam karan. Buchus panain kam karan. I have done my work. Mekar panain kam. I will do my work. Bukar panain kam.
Good.
I
2ABC.
I watched a film yesterday. मैं वो रात अक film. I will watch a film today. Bubuch az ak film. I will watch a film tomorrow. Bubuch paga ak film.
Sahil, 3.
Prasad is a thin person. Prasad chu ak nyuk insan. Prasad is a fat person. Prasad chu ak vyot insan. Prasad is not a fat person. Prasad chun ak vyot insan.
Good. Neilji,
I will come to see you tomorrow. Bu yema paga te sam kuin. Sam kuni. I had come to see you yesterday. Bu osus terat sam kuine amut. I will come to see you today. Bu yemai az te sam kunye.
very good. 5. Shrutiji,
Where are you going? Tsukot chak gatsan. Tsukot chuk gatsan. Where had you gone? Tsukot osuk gomut. Where will you go? Tsukot gatsak.
Simaji must be still driving. So let's do one thing. Start. You have been able to listen? So you can pay attention. But if you are driving, then stop the vehicle,
Just
please.
to drive, but just taxi months.
Acha, chalo, theek hai. Wait,
Chalo. Acha, it is raining heavily today. Az chusak rood pyavan. It rained heavily yesterday. Raat pyav sak rood. It will rain heavily tomorrow. Paga peye sak rood.
Very good. Very good. 7. Shrutiji,
We are going for a picnic today. Asche az salas.
salas में salas.
Salas.
अगर न पठाए से अर्धे चंद तेलुगु salas. साल से पता काचो ना salas गसुन. तो nice kitchen. हाँ. किसी के यहाँ खाना खाने के लिए feast खाने के लिए जाओ. साल को feast खाना.
तवे किसी में गलती गत्सान के इसके पिकनिक.
Salas. असली चीज़ watch लेजन उसमें क्या ना.
Yes.
चलो. Salas.
Asche as salas kine chakras gatsan. We had gone for a picnic last week. As paitme hafta chakras gomit.
Asn. अच्छा ऊपर में एक अर्ध चंद. हाँ.
Paitme hafta chakras gomit.
Very good. Next.
We will go for a picnic next week. As gatsav bay hafta chakras.
बस it's after bay 7 मगर पर मैं मानसी जी कैसे 8 hours ना स्पेशल करते. Okay.
Come have dinner with me. Well, mesut kebat. Go have dinner with your mother. Guts. Maji sut kebat. Yes, I had dinner with my father. Mekya pananis merlis sut bat.
Excellent. Perfect. Okay. Tushar.
Anji. This is an apple tree. It has many apples. Yichu ak su
Cool. I wish na for na singular plural for. You should say cool. Okay.
Cool. Yichu ak kul. At chivaria choot.
Very good.
This is a pear tree. It has no pears. Yichu tung kul. At Chin tongue.
Tangai.
Tongue.
Chin tangai.
Tongue.
Next.
This is not a pear tree, this is a cherry tree. ये छुना टंग कुल, ये छु गिलास कुल.
Very good. Neil ji.
I can speak. Seema, can you write that down? She's working.
I am very tired.
I'm very tired today. Bichus asak tokmut. I was very tired yesterday. But osus rat sak tokmut. I will be very tired tomorrow. As paga sak tokmut.
Very good. Seema ji.
I can speak Kashmiri.
Oh.
Okay,
Beheke wine, kosher bulen.
Wine. Wine.
Wine.
Kosher. Bullet. Very
Beheke
good.
wine, kosher bulen. Behekena wine, kosher bulen. Bekara wine. Bekara wine, kosher bolnuch kushish.
Sahil, you also say the same thing, 10th one. I think we have finished this. Sahil Rozaiti.
I cannot speak Kashmiri now. Behekna wine, kosher.
Okay, no, hold on. Let me give you full lesson. 10 pura pad lijiye.
I can speak Kashmiri now. Behek wine, kosher bulit.
Wine.
Wine. Behek wine, kosher bulit. I cannot speak Kashmiri now. Behekna wine, kosher bulit.
Excellent.
I will try to speak Kashmiri now. Bekar wine, kosher bolnich kushish. Bolnich kushish. Bekar wine, kosher bolnich kushish.
Perfect. Anybody who was left out? I think everybody. Chalo, theek hai. Homework, practice and remember the sentences and prepare yourself for the test. Note, after lesson 16, 1st October, you will be taking exam for the course. Please make sure you read and write and practice every day and submit your homework for all the lessons. Certificates will be given to those students who have submitted their homework as well as qualified in exam. Based on the last week's discussion, revision date is 8th, proposed exam date is 15th, proposed exam time is 7 p.m. IST. Okay. So this we have already done. Anybody has anything more to say? This we have been talking earlier. Anything more on this lesson? I will otherwise close this and then I want to talk to you. Lessons मतलब क्या करना इसके बोलूं? Okay.
Sir,
When you
sir, मैं उस क्वेश्चन की ये pumpkin तो ये परिमल गया different चीज की.
No, same.
Same. Okay, sir.
I actually had a pumpkin question too.
Parimal, just since you are talking about this, let me go back. Pumpkin. It's good that you raise this point. Maybe it was the seed was brought from outside, I don't know. That is normal alchwana.
Yeah, that was my question too. Is it native to Kashmir or was it brought there?
It must have been brought. That's why it is told Purim. Purim means foreign to the city, or the
Ah.
aquarium means outside.
And
Okay.
garlic also? The same question for garlic. Was
No,
garlic?
no, garlic was there. Garlic was locally also available. Anything
Sir,
else?
till kosher al kath honan, sir.
Kosher all normal algae same. Bit जो normal algae ना gold algae kosher algae. To same. Algae च तात वना. वहाँ यम साथ यम किन gold algae वना परिमल तात वना kosher al. Just to sort of give it a different. Otherwise तात वना gold algae. Gold algae is a local Kashmir. यम परिमल algae वना तिम वना पता kosher al. ठीक है? या तो इस वना kosher al.
सर
So this is not
पथेरल
bottle
किछु
gourd.
ना आसाम
Huh?
It is.
Bottle
It
gourd,
is
yeah.
bottle
Bottle gourd and gourd is the same. Okay, gourd. हाँ तो इसका था मना साहिल.
सर मैं तुषार बोल रहा था मैं
हाँ बोलो डियर बोलो.
वो अल का एक और टाइप होता है ना पथेरल भी बोलते हैं उसको
क्या सुना?
पथेरल
Pothiral. Can you show me the picture? Then I can probably talk about it. You share with me a picture on one-on-one, then we discuss it. Okay?
Okay, I will look for it.
No problem. Tel kara bu ye ban vai. Dema shke kas pusun.
Yem satan kor as seasons. Them satan one as ki wand ch winter. I think ki cold season.
Cold one. Ashtavishna is winter vanan. That's what I was explaining to you. Ashin vanan tat vand. Vand chu consisting of so many things. Vand ye pate van आँख में. अगर वंद वनो, let me tell you ना, so चलो ये generally इच वना वंद. Winter season go वंद पेटे शिशुर ताम सोरी.
अच्छा.
अगर अश्व वंद अलग ताच वना cold season. अश्व winter as per your definition cold season and very cold season. या यादन वंद शिशुर चिल्लाई कलान इस वना चिल्लाई इच वना चिल्ल कलान चिल्ल बचिया चिल्ल करद. सुचो सोरी winter रस्म जीवन.
अच्छा.
The part of winter.
तो ये पढ़ने पे में याद कि as ch ak blessing the much no one my zoo. So ch ये होई one.
No. One the go alag cheez. One my zoo go something else. It is like one my zoo means I sort of pledge my life to you. It's something like one my zoo. That means it is as good as it's a highest kind of blessing to your child in the sense that I want to give you everything, my life also to you. It's something like that.
Okay, so badal shabd. Okay.
So guys, Wondamai, Wandana, Wondamai.
Wand. Okay.
That's it. Anything else? Okay, since we had a very long lesson today.
Sir, एक चीज जो मैं याद sir.
When you did,
sir, ashtina lagan sir something like shishur sir.
Shishur. So magar Shishur is a it is a particular what should I say? It is not a festival. Shishur ch a particular what should I say? Cultural what should I say? I'm not getting the right word. It is something which we do. Yam satanzan yazan khandar ye na ye satanzan zan shur javan tam satan shu suima karna shishur lag nahi wan tachwana shishur lagun tatos asan. Just to explain to you, सिर पर बच्चे को लगाते थे तातुन इस्तेमाल गुड़ जैगरी कलश पर इस्तेमाल आप ना लोकल दही तातुन जैगरी इस्तेमाल पता इसमें पूजा करना तातु इस बार एक्टिव बना. But if it is available on Kashmiri as it is app में वो website में भी लिखा है शिशुर क्या गो. You can read it there. That is full description. ठीक है? अगर तो Kashmir as it is ना तो किसी website पर ताकि वायरल चीज़ यम लिखित ना अगर तुम तो नवरेस में क्या चिकरान ऐसा ये ऐसे ये तो सारी functions चिकरान इस वायरल चीज़ यम जो सारी ताकि वायरल चीज़ अगर कहाँ चुन तो वही आपके करो इस ऐड तक. ठीक है साहिल.
Okay sir, शुक्रिया sir. Okay.
Welcome. Okay, let me close this first. Stop share. so that I can look at all of you together. Sahil, we are for. अच्छा, आपको एक चीज मैं बनूं. I will post on Bhuvan Shivani के सकर post आपको से ना आपका WhatsApp group पर कि next lesson most of you should attend. Yimno Vinistam Imzon Mikistam Chin Sari attend Karan, so Chukarani attend, or Yimnozan attend Karan, Kali homework Karan because of whatever reason. It is better use on Shurahim lesson to be used on tempo the revision lesson. Sure. I'm saying this because so that it gets recorded so that most of the people can hear it. Okay, Kimgasan, Shurahim, the next lesson, revision lessons में जिनका इसके अगर मैं बोलना समझ के मुश्किल जिसन खाली बनाना ही हो चीज़ों के लिए पढ़ाना ही हो चीज़ इससे जो lesson है कहाँ attend करे then इस कदर अगर कहाँ doubt है इसके यहाँ से we'll try to clear. Okay, अभी आप बोल सकते हैं I've got another 5-10 minutes. What or anything you? Acha, I forgot to tell. Simaji, fantastic. Adar Zaltu, good try. Excepting the last stanza जो आपने बोला ना उसमें एक दो mistakes है that you will realize yourself. तो वो आप थोड़ा एक बार वो पढ़ लेना उसको वापस, ठीक है? तो थोड़ा सा है, थोड़ा pronunciation में थोड़ा सा कुछ बचा है, but you read it and you make it again so that I can circulate it on the web. Okay. So बाकी जो sorry थी, just you go through that. I don't want to correct you yet. You just go through the लिखित शो. So लिखित कुछ पढ़ने चु, then you pronounce it again. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving me opportunity to write it in Roman because of you I wrote it. Because of you I wrote it in word. Now it will come in. In fact, what I am going to do, मैं ये सब मेहनत करी है इस कश्मीर एजुकेशन का जो नेक्स्ट न्यूज़लेटर है ना उसमें ये दोनों हिंदी देवनागरी और रोमन में दोनों में मैंने बोला उसको प्रिंट करने के लिए. And I will see if it is possible to print it in Sharda also in my Sharda magazine. So let's see. If not this time,
it makes total sense that my last stanza or two were not good because I was listening maybe like 100 times, and the first ones, you know, obviously were easier for my brain, and then the last one.
Again, one thing. This is where I want to correct you. You don't listen to what is on the video, on the web. You read what is there. Here I want to correct you. I don't want you to remember what you what you can hear on the YouTube or anything. I want you to exactly read from what you have written. That will make it totally different. You will never make it different. That you will not make
that's
it
what I'm trying. 100%. That's what I'm trying to do. And but when I first sent you my first copy, I had no choice but to like find somebody who was saying it online, and I tried to translate what I could hear. And I knew
because of that only I made a mistake while replying you first time. Then I told you omit it because whatever you said, whatever you wrote, I tried to translate that. Then I found that it doesn't make sense. So I immediately deleted that. So I said,
perfect.
Let me write it properly. Okay.
Okay, that's great. So I'll do it again just from maybe one time I won't sing, I'll just read it with the correct, you know, characters and pronunciation. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, but I have to thank you because it's been my like I've really
why
been
you don't have to
wanting
thank me. I my job is to learn myself also and teach you. So no problem. It is good for me. In fact, I told you one more thing which is missing in that. Your smile. It was too serious. The first video was very good.
You know, so my mom stressed me out. I send it to her and she's like,
You're not.
Nama home vanan ke nama home vanan. I was like, oh my God, Mom. So like I had the mom judgment going on. And I was like, I don't know if I'm doing it right. So, but I'll try again, smiling. Okay.
Don't get distracted by anything. So you read only you read the passage and then you recite it. It's perfectly all right. No problem. Purpose is for me. Purpose is two, that you will speak what you write and what you read you speak. So that is very important. तो
But there's so
pronunciation
much.
की ये time sequence बराबर थे तो नहीं मेरे को तो इनकी ने पता सो पानस watching it didn't make lot of sentences didn't make sense, words didn't make sense. So then I immediately corrected and immediately I told you I deleted that. I said you don't read this, let me correct this because certain words didn't make sense at all. No problem. Thank you very much. मानसी जी आपका वीडियो ऑडियो कुछ नहीं आया है. तुषार साहिल पास फेल कर रहा मेरे हाथ में, वैसे है नहीं मेरे हाथ में बट फिर भी मैं बोल सकता हूँ. ओ अरे वीडियो बनाओ यार, ऑडियो बनाओ. ऑडियो तो बनाया था, वीडियो चाहिए.
You guys should totally translate and submit something because we'll learn an extra song that way also.
Yeah, that is
or poem or something.
And Shruti ji ने भी बोला है कि she will send something else. So which is प्रारंभ तो थे. मानसी जी, now we are due for 2 videos. Time इतना चला गया. 2 videos, different one, not same video. Okay, Neil ji, you had only one. So I would suggest that
I was going to do another one, and I was looking, but when I saw the certain things had Roman, but it was like it wasn't the same as when you write it. So I got very confused, and then I never got back to it.
You can
so,
always come back to me. You can come back to me.
Yeah,
like
I should. Yeah,
I can correct it and send it back to you. No problem.
I'll send you the one that I liked. I'll send you the one I
problem.
liked, but I got confused with the way they spelled it, so I wasn't sure how to pronounce it.
No problem. My job is to make you perfect. You are the monitor. अगर monitor ही बोलेगा मेरे से नहीं जमता है तो फिर बाकी लोग क्या करेंगे? I have declared on line that you are monitor. So you should yes to सवाल उनके में. ताकि वन नहीं ना बराबर सीमा जी बराबर चाहिए कितना?
Yeah, barabar. It should butter board cheese.
हाँ तो इसका अहाना का चार्ज. अच्छा she had that.
Hana's at the dentist.
Ahana
Dentist,
had her braces fixed. So Emishretna do done this.
अच्छा चलो कोई बात नहीं. So Mr. Benjo, if she's ठीक है in between, if she is able to speak, let her also make one more video. Okay?
She will.
Tushar, I need a video from you. Sahil, some video got on. Sahil, अदे तेरे में फिक्री. तुझको न्यूक क्यों तुझको व्योक. तुझको खुश क्यों तुझको नाराज है.
सर बुशिस न्यूक सर.
ना मैं ये तेरे में बुश पाने अच्छे से मैं तेरे. तुझको सर जरूर. सारे कौन चीज़ न्यूक तो व्योक तुझको खुश क्यों तुझको नाराज है. इससे ज़्यादा important.
सर बुशिस वारिया खुश सर.
ये तेरे में फिक्री होता है मैं बहुत बुश तेली तेरी. चलो तब तक ये तम जन वीडियो करें ऑन तो तम श्रुति जी. Anything else?
Which is the bird kormut short list. The bird
Very good.
signed lyrics the toy nish karna है but check.
ठीक है. नहीं तो इस सूची में सीमा जी you also send this thing revised one to me. If there is anything I will tell you, get back to you. Then you make a final one which I will send on the group. It's a बड़ सुंदर नफर. क्या चुप पानस क्या इस्तेमाल खटित पानस क्या चुप तमाम चूरी पान वन तुम
सर बुशिस वारिया मंशान सर.
मंशान अरे ये माच कोरी ये वारे ये तो पन लड़के ऐसे मंशान ये जो बड़ गल तुझी खानदर कोरमत किन्ना
ना सर बुशिस लकोड
तुझको मैं लकोड तुझी खानदर एक तो कोरमत तेल अगर तुम मंशक तो कुछ दिकूर पात समझ में
सर उनचो वारिया टाइम सर.
नहीं युता के टाइम है मंशनों क्यों ना कार नहीं चुटी का पेट क्लासेस में कुछ मंशान समझ में आते हैं अवल पेट यो ताम जन इंसान पीएचडी करे तो ताम क्यों कोई मंशान क्यों सवाल है मंशन क्या है ज्यादा से ज्यादा कैसे गलत ऐसी इतना नफर बुचुस कराम गलती बुचुस बना मैं वो ना मन सीमा जी तो कोरमा में ट्रांसलेशन जितना मैं कोरमा से गलत पद मन सुन में डिलीट करे फादू लिखूं नए लेट क्या परवाह गलती है कि कौन सी मंशन क्या अच्छे सारी हेचान टेंशन परवाह तुम चुन परफेक्ट भगवान चुन तुम यूजन परफेक्ट भगवान योच परफेक्ट बकाय से सारी हेचान ठीक है. चलो मैं वो टाइम खतर वुचन के वीडियो सर ना वीडियो बर्तन है बे तात्मस थे लाइट पन्नेस फेसेस पे पकिंग चुन जरूरत ना यूजन पूरे ठीक पटी नहीं बुध बोल
सर वीडियो से जरूरी कि ऑडियो तो चले
ना ऑडियो वो तो उताम दिचो में तेली चांस खास खाली ऑडियो मंची वीडियो थे मंची जरूरी वीडियो क्या वन जुई क्लास पत कर बनाव वीडियो ठीक है
ठीक
हाँ बना तो सोच गोड़ मे योत सोज पत वे अगर तथ मज गलती आह बास ठीक में जिस पे मे सीमा जी वन वोन सह कर तिथे पे बह सोजे वापस कह पता क्या परवाह ठीक है यह जरूरी बोड़ बात गो जोर स्टेंजा आसन सह ठीक है मे वुचन अकोई चीज कि यह जन प्रोनाउंसिएशन हेचनावान सह पे पूरा तगान मे मे कहीं वुचन ठीक है बात इम्पार्टेंट यह वुचन कि यह जन हेच वॉवल्स हेच या बात हेच या वोकेबलरी हेच सह तगान बस यूत वुचन बकाय कहीं वुचन बकाय ये खानदर कर तेल बुल मे मे मशरा
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर
अच्छा अच्छा चलो ठीक सारे सतन सोरे टीवी
सॉरी
सारे कार्ड सोजन सारे यून खानदरस पे तुल फिक्री इसलिए थो गोड़े पे फिक्स कर यह तम सात बनाव कम सात हेको युथी तुल याद डेट कर फिक्स बराबर तुषार वीडियो ऑडियो तो ठीक है वीडियो कब बनेगा वीडियो
मैं बनाता हूँ मेरे को थोड़ा सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा पहले
कोई बात नहीं हाँ मे वो ना तुम अगर तुम मुश्किल गसान मे वो ना तुम mkraina.com पे तम रैना सबन पान तम गेम तमो मज तुल तो कह नथिंग रॉन्ग आई डोंट माइंड यू पिक एनीथिंग आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू टू इन्वेंट तुम करो नव कह बन तो पोइट्री बन कहें अगर तुम पानस कम मुश्किल गसान तथ पे ती चीज लिखित रैना सबन तुम गो तथ मज तो दैट रिमाइंड्स मी तुम कोशिश कर रैना सबन ना ग्रुपस पे किताब लिख whoever can buy this that is good tell you frankly which is लट पानस लेखान ना तम पे वुचान कह वर्ड क्या तथ टिपिकल वर्ड यम बे जाए वेरी वेरी स्पेशल वोकेबलरी तम नफरन पत तम लफ्ज मे लगभग 80% लफ्ज मे बूझम तो सोच तो मे पाने जामत तथि मे सारे इंजीनियरिंग तो तथि कर्मुत इसलिए मे खतर तह किताब गि थवन तो क्या मास्टर जी ग्रुपस मज मे 30 किताब आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू मे ये थी बहाओ तो बहाओ हाँ तो पे जस्ट गिव मी 1 मिनट
Sahil, are you studying? Sahil, are you studying? Are you in school?
right now
Yeah.
I mean, in general.
School.
हाँ वो परान वैसे
sorry I had taken off my this thing I could not hear what you're saying see there is a short stories book from Raina Saban Lishmans I have started translating from this ichu Devanagari mas kashir likhit some short stories imzan me Romanus mas kench karmas translation which gasan practice become khud chus wana am si practice te gasan be kashir hechan because ye to te pariv zyada kitab tu to insan sara fikir there is one more
सर ये
ये सारे रैना सबस निश खबर वनस प्रिंट सारी खत्म गमज कि रैना सबस नश मिले मगर अगर ना रैना सबस नश मिले तेल वन मे तो मे शायद मतलब ना आई कैन जेरॉक्स दिस फॉर यू आई कैन स्कैन इट फॉर अनदर थिंग इज देयर वैसे गो जान गो किताब इथे पे ब्या किताब अत पे अंदर पिक्चर ते
These books use the same words, letters that we learned.
yeah absolutely right
He's the one who wrote it.
ये मास्टर जी ने रैना सब ने दिस इज रिटन बाय एम के रैना तम चीज लिखमित तो एनीवे मोन मतलब कि यह अमुक कंटेंट तथ mkraina.com मज तो अगर तथ मज पो बट क्या गसान ये किताब ब्रोट कन ये किताब ब्रोट कन इट इज मच ईजियर टू रीड एंड देन प्रोनाउंस एंड सिंग वट एवर तम ज्यादा जान बसान ठीक है I encourage you तो ये सो किताब I think which one you were talking about There was one more book, na, using Seemaji Asmanan. Special vowels. एक minute. हाँ, ये वाली book है. This is the one. Peculiar words. These are all on my table. Buchus Immas Paran. Very, very special words. It's a huge work he has done. It's very difficult. So it's like there are some very nice books. Ashithama Vaira novel Pavlo. Magar these are really some certain things generally novel mail you can get, but this you cannot get. Chalo theek hai. Then we'll close today. I think it's 8:15. Very much.
Seema ji
Wait.
तो इवन करनी
yem haftas gov में ak मजेदार किस्सा ٲsٕس اَکہِ دۄہ گَرِ یِوان تہٕ گَرِ یِنن منٛز ٲسٕس بہٕ ریڈیو بوزان ریڈیو بہٕ چھَس دۄہے ریڈیو بوزان سُہ چھُ وۄنۍ ییٚمہِ لَٹہِ اوس تٔمۍ پرٛژھان کہِ گُجراتی ناو کامن کُس چھُ کیازِ کہِ وۄنۍ چھُنہٕ گربا سیٖزن شروٗع گژھان راتری تہٕ تٔمۍ اوس پرٛژھان کہِ کامن گُجراتی ناو ؤنِو اَسہِ تہٕ گرِ واتان پیوٚو مےٚ اکھ زٕ ناو یاد تہٕ مےٚ کوٚر فون ریڈیوَس منٛز تِمن ووٚن کہِ اچھا یہِ چھُ ٹھیٖک ناو تہٕ یہِ چھُ ٹھیٖک ناو پَتہٕ تٔمۍ پرٛژھ مےٚ کہِ ژٕ کیٛاہ کُس باشہٕ چھُ گرِ وَنان ژٕ کُس باشہٕ چھُ گرِ کَتھ کران مےٚ ووٚن ہِندی تہٕ کشمیٖری سُہ گوٚو یُتھ ایکسایٹ ریڈیو جاکی تٔمۍ کوٚر مےٚ سۭتۍ واریاہ کَتھٕ پَتہٕ تہٕ تٔمۍ پرٛژھ مےٚ کہِ ژٕ کٲشِر پٲٹھۍ کِتھ چھِ وَنان یوٗ نو اکھ زٕ چیٖز پرٛژھ تٔمۍ مےٚ تہٕ آن اِیر مےٚ ووٚننو تہٕ یِم سٲری کٲشِر پٲٹھۍ مےٚ اوس اَندر یوٗتاہ گژھان دَگ 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 مگر مےٚ ووٚن
کھوژُن چھُنہٕ کینٛہہ چھُنہٕ پرواے زیادٕ سے زیادٕ کیٛاہ گژھِ غلطی مگر اکھ چیٖز چھُ ییٚمہِ ساتہٕ کوٗشِش کَرِ اِنسان تی چھُس بہٕ وَنان actually you feel basically excited. It is not you are afraid. You feel excited that bہٕ چھُس وَنان کٲشِر کَتھ among yourself. So that gives you not only pride, that gives you confidence also. You feel excited also. It is an emotion basically that you are linked to your one. I'm telling you frankly, because just one Neil just monitor. In spite of not being, basically from Kashmir, but he is able to pronounce it so beautifully because he's unbiased. बहुत ना पिटमिलेट बना. You should सिर्फ परान क्या actually लिखे switch परान. So उससे क्या होता है बहुत easy हो जाता है. All of us are biased because of something. But it's better one on it's better parun chu क्या actually लिखे switch parun. Then it was much easier. Much easier.
Actually मैं सीख गए वारिया किससे
हाँ जरूर बोलना उसे जरूर बेटे
पर actually मैं नहीं याद किया वैसे तो same like same ही किसी में तो वैसे
क्या प्रचार उसका कशिर पेटवान या क्या बना
वो सुना रोज़न पंजाब उसमें
अच्छा
तो जब उनको पता लगता था कि I have like background related to Kashmir तो काफी ज़्यादा excited हो जाते थे वो
because Kashmir because Kashmir has a different culture. Everybody, not only Punjab asman. Domino Patmilite, I think I explained here was down south I went. They were so there is so much actually nobody wants to appreciate this. Kashmir was a seat of knowledge. Mata Sharda is an incarnation of Saraswati. So everywhere everybody wants to know because of on her name that script Sharda Yusan Chu Sharda Mata Hindis Navaspati. Tamkinach Sir Imson brought us you must say one particular Adi Shankaracharya Bagros Tot Gomatya Abhinav Gupta's Gomat. They were scholars in Sanskrit, but most of the literature in Sanskrit about mythology, about higher learning of God, etc., everything. Oh, sorry, Kashmir. Everybody would go there to know what this means, what Shaktivad means, what, especially for Shiva philosophy. It was a totally different philosophy than what was followed in down south. Shiva philosophy means Ashu Bhagwan Asimans. Shiv to Asimans, which is not something that anybody else believes, but now धीरे धीरे वो बोलने लगे हैं, you have God inside and you look at yourself and this thing. Time Sitanshu, it was a different philosophy and everybody appreciated that. And because Shankar Bhagwan Singh सारे shrines, most of them, not that Jyotirlinga से पूरे India में, मगर सारे को ज़्यादा मंदिर, सारे को ज़्यादा स्थापनाएं सारे कश्मीर में. Time की अच्छी है. चलो, good that you did. हाँ सीमा जी, sorry, we interrupted you twice. तो इसका क्या था वना?
No. Kenchen. बस इस मेरे मर्जी पुछन के अगर तो है कि इस the give us the suna crib sheet or cheat sheet, like with all the consonants and the vowels.
I promised you I will send you because both usne yasa winni manon to periyo na pat ki pan. I will give you
okay.
make guys one last lessons mas kasan mostly. I will share that is something personal which I use for my own learning. I will make
Okay.
it and show it there and I will explain to you. I will on this I will share the screen also. Then I will give it to you on the group also. Don't worry.
Okay, maybe after the test.
No, not after the test, before the test. I will give you next session. The next is the last one. Or practice session में आपको कोई doubt है तो you can ask me again कि तो ना speak या याद ना चुके. I will do that. Don't worry. Idea is that you should practice. Which अगर वो गड़ा इधम सु की तो ये करीब ना पानी की नहीं पात.
No, that's right.
पान करे इंसान तो तमसे ठीक. I will share with you. I promised you last time.
अगर पाने करव पच्चू
Sushi याद रोजान. Sushi
magazines
रोजान. I teach रोजान. रोजान मानस मन शु रोजान. So इति पच्चू याद ही होत करूँ. Okay. Anything else? Shall we call it a day? I think it is now almost half an hour past, almost 20 minutes. Chalo, God bless you. And I think let's prepare. I'm not so much worried about your test. So I guess you're sorry, you're bowling, patiti, to be leaking, parunti, to be sirni, one, the sirni sit katkar. Okay, then. Bye.
Namaskar.
Namaskar sir.
Namaskar.